Hello, my name is Tavi, and today we're going to be talking about amulets and talismans. I'm going to give you a general idea of what they are, how to cleanse them, how to charge or empower them, and how to use them in your everyday life. Talismans and amulets are essentially magical objects that have been empowered or programmed in order to fulfill a user's specific intent. They have been used all throughout the ages, from Mesopotamia, ancient Egypt, through to present day by various magical and occult practices. Amulets are usually defined as objects that repel negative energies, such as evil eye, black magic, entities, demons, and curses, whereas talismans will attract and amplify positive energies, such as love, abundance, health, and success. Some historical or popular examples might include the hagstone, which is a stone that's found by many riverbeds and beaches that conclude a natural hole, as you can see here in the photo. They have been used to protect the house from negative energies, witchcraft, or black magic. Another popular example would be the Nazar Bonjour. Apologies for butchering the name, but that is a popular symbol in Turkish culture that is used to repel negative energies and the evil eye. Some common items that are used are, of course, rings and jewelry, bracelets, necklaces, pendants. People have even used cacti to protect the home from negative energies or unwanted guests. Anything can be essentially used to make a talisman or amulet. It could be something that's been handed down to you in your family, something that you've purchased. It could be something that's been given to you as a gift. It could be something that you've even made. And I do recommend making your own amulet or magical tool, because anytime you make something like this, it's always going to be a lot more powerful. So if you're watching this video because you intend to actually make or use a talisman or amulet, then I recommend begin by cleansing it. You want to ensure that your object is clean of all energies, anything that's been picked up from the environment or other users. There are a variety of ways to cleanse your object, but what you want to do is choose one that feels right for you. Some examples would include leaving it outside on a sunny day, leaving it outside overnight on a full moon, burying it in soil for a day, running it under water, preferably a natural stream or brook, burying it in salt, or even using the smoke from Palo Santo or sage, or you can even use angels or spirit guides. And there are also a variety of ways you can charge or imprint or empower your object, including chanting, mantras, spirit guides, or helpers. But today I'm going to show you a method that I've created, which is a combination of various techniques that I've learned over time and have put together. So to begin with, think of the intent that you want to imprint or charge your object with. For example, I'm going to use abundance. Begin by thinking what abundance means to you. Think of any ideas or images that mean abundance. Think of any times in your life that you were abundant, or anyone in your life that you know that's abundant, anything that represents abundance in your life. Now, I want you to begin by visualizing a cloud forming in front of your face. And in this cloud, I want you to imprint all those images and those feelings into this cloud, mentally and emotionally. And if it helps, bring your hands up and feel the energy. Feel what you've created. Now, I want you to relax, take a few deep breaths, and I want you to take the item you have selected and hold it between your hands. For this example, I'm going to be using this scarab. So, take a few deep breaths, and then I want you to inhale that cloud all the way into your body and hold it for 17 seconds. And at the end of the 17 seconds, I want you to exhale and blow into your hands, into the item, whilst at the same time noticing and feeling the energy release all the way down your arms, into your hands, and into the object. So you're blasting energy from your breath and through your hands all at the same time, charging your object with your intent. So now it all comes down to how you want to use your object, your amulet or your talisman. So if it's a pendant, well, obviously it'd be useful to wear around your neck. If it is something like a crystal or a shell or some small trinket, then put it in your pocket or your handbag or your backpack. That works as well. If it's something for your home, then place it around the home in the appropriate place. If it's to help you to sleep, put it in your bedroom. If it's to bring better levels of communication or relaxation, place it in your living room. If it's to bring love and joy into your house, maybe stick it above the door frame at your entrance. And if you have a desk at work, you can even place it on your desk or hide it in your drawer. It will work the same. So going back to the technique that I've just shown you, you can actually use that for a variety of other things as well. I would suggest experimenting on glasses of water, your food, maybe even incense or candles, any object of your choice. Use the same methods as before. Just hold the water, hold the incense or whatever object you are charging and do the same process. I use it on my water filter in my fridge. After it's filled up, I just hold it and charge it with love and vitality. You can use that technique on anything. Try and see what works for you. Anyways, I think that is probably sufficient for this video. I hope you've been able to take something from this and be able to use it. If you have any suggestions or comments or any ideas for any future videos, please leave a comment below. Hit that subscribe button and notification bell for any upcoming videos because there will be more coming soon. And on that note, I hope you have a magical day and see you again soon. Bye.